Hey there, fellow travelers! Are you preparing for your next exciting adventure? Well, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're thrilled to share our hand-picked selection of the top 5 travel products that are essential for any globetrotter. These products will not only enhance your comfort and convenience, but also add a touch of style to your travels. Before we dive into our comprehensive list of the top 5 travel products to buy until your next trip, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Alright, let's get started on this journey to discover the must-have travel products that will elevate your travel experience. 1. Travel Neck Pillow. Number 1 on our list is a travel neck pillow. Say goodbye to uncomfortable journeys and sleepless flights with a quality travel neck pillow. Whether you're traveling by plane, train, or car, this ergonomic accessory provides essential neck and head support, allowing you to relax and catch some Z's during long journeys. Look for a pillow with memory foam or microbead filling for maximum comfort. Some even come with adjustable straps to secure it in place and compact travel-friendly designs for easy storage. 2. Portable charger. Don't let a dead battery ruin your adventures. Invest in a reliable portable charger to keep your devices powered up on the go. These compact power banks provide a quick and convenient way to charge your smartphones, tablets, and other gadgets, ensuring you never miss a photo opportunity or get stranded without navigation. Look for a charger with a high-capacity battery and multiple USB ports for simultaneous charging. Some models even offer fast charging capabilities and solar-powered options for eco-conscious travelers. 3. Packing cubes. Say goodbye to messy and disorganized luggage with the help of packing cubes. These lightweight organizers allow you to compartmentalize and neatly pack your clothes, accessories, and essentials. Not only do they maximize space, but they also make it easy to locate items quickly without rummaging through your entire suitcase. Choose a set of packing cubes in various sizes to suit your needs, and opt for durable and water-resistant materials. Some sets even come with compression features to further optimize space. 4. Travel adapter. Stay connected around the world with a universal travel adapter. This essential gadget allows you to plug in and charge your devices in different countries. Look for a compact and versatile adapter that supports multiple plug types and has built-in surge protection. With a travel adapter in your arsenal, you'll never have to worry about incompatible outlets again. Some adapters also come with USB ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Remember to check the voltage compatibility of your electronics before use. 5. Travel wallet. Keep your travel documents, ID cards, credit cards, and cash safe and organized with a dedicated travel wallet. Look for a wallet that offers RFID blocking technology to protect your personal information from electronic theft. With designated compartments and pockets, you can easily access your essentials while keeping them secure throughout your journey. Opt for a slim and lightweight design that can fit comfortably in your pocket or bag. Some travel wallets even feature hidden pockets and detachable wrist straps for added convenience and security. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. Our top 5 travel products are a must-buy before your next trip. From a cozy neck pillow to keep you comfortable to a portable charger for uninterrupted power, these products will enhance your travel experience and make your journey more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful and are excited to upgrade your travel gear, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our future travel product recommendations and travel tips. Safe travels, and until next time!